Hello gamers, welcome back to a vlog. I don't know why I'm making a vlog. I just want to show you guys something. That's why I'm making a vlog. I don't know why, I just thought it'd be fun. Yeah, first. Say hi.
And the big one calls.
Say hi.
Sometimes you just have to say no. So when you say yes,
Anyways, it's raining outside. Yep. It's raining outside. That's why I'm making a vlog. Over there, it's kind of dry on that one little spot right there. It's kind of dry, but look at that. Also, you got the back, you're not going to see it out the back. It's raining, it's actually wet right here, like underneath the cover. Down there, wet. So that one little spot there, that's dry. And I'm getting wet. Okay, let's just close the door. Yeah, it's raining. What?
The open road where every twist and turn beckons with the promise
It's
of
both.
adventure.
Oh, I know you guys have it on the camera. Look at it. It's chucking it down now. It's literally chucking it down. I know this was there before, but that patch is gone now, so it must be us. But it is still quite dry though. Oh my god, look at that. I know how it looks. Look. It looks like hail. It's not hailing here in Australia. But it looks like it is. Yeah, okay, I'm getting back inside. Alright, that's that. That is that.
we gotta sweat the turkey.
That is the floor, I guess. See, if you guys did enjoy the rain vlog, that's the title of the video. Rain vlog. Yeah, that's the title of this video. If you guys did enjoy the rain, if I do have it back out, I will tell you guys straight away. I'll grab a torch and everything, and we'll see how it is. But yeah, if you guys want like a route, like a house tour, then tell me on my Instagram. Send me a DM, and I'll do a house. I'll do a house tour anyways. But anyway, if you guys did enjoy the rain vlog, leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I know you want to see more rain of this, but you know, it's all good. And that's how they do. Bye guys.